Hello, this is Heather from Keep It Simple Social Media. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Facebook safely. I want to walk you through your settings and generally how it works. A lot of people have not jumped onto Facebook at this time because they wanted to remain perhaps private, but there's a lot of community groups, especially during COVID-19, where people can get up-to-date information. And there's also a lot of different things that Facebook is really valuable for that perhaps you can use it even if you don't want to add your own photos or be involved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen right now, and I'm going to take you to my Facebook personal profile. And let's just pop up here. Here we go. So this is my personal profile on Facebook. I'm on my home tab. This means this is my news feed. And what a news feed means is this is all the people or business pages that I have liked over the years that I've been on Facebook. And every time that one of my friends or those businesses publish a post, it comes into this here, and this is called my news feed. My news feed is found on my home tab. That's that little house right up here. Now, if I clicked on my name over here where it says Heather, this takes me to what is now my wall. So everyone gets to have a cover image and a profile picture. You do not have to add one, but that's entirely up to you. As well, there's your edit your profile, which is the information that you're allowing people to learn about you. Remember, if you are going to put your year of birth in, that you make sure that you hide the year for only you to see. So you can see as you go through, there's lots of information that you can add about yourself right in here. Or you don't have to participate in that respect at all. You don't have to fill anything in. So this is my wall once again, and if I click on the home tab, this takes me to my news feed, and that's where all my friends and family are posting content. These little circles up here, they are calling these live chat rooms right now, and that's relatively new on Facebook. If you wanted to upload a photo or a video, you simply click right here and you pick the photo or video that is on your desktop computer, or if you're on your smartphone, the same thing. Live video is for you to actually go live in the news feed on a video, which is either shot from your phone or from your desktop computer. Most computers have a video on it. But now let's talk about something that's a little more important for people that want to stay private, and that is our settings. And over here on the right hand side, this first box, we're not actually going to be using this much because this is more for your business side of Facebook. This here are your private messages, and private messages are people that want to talk to you privately where no one else can see what it is you are saying. However, remember, anytime you send anything when you're using even email on a computer, people can take screenshots of that. So always make sure that whatever you're writing, posting, sharing as a photo, if it was on the front page of the New York Times, you would still be okay with it. Over here, this little bell, this is notification. So anytime anyone is engaging with your content, that means that anytime that someone likes or comments on a photo that you've added, such as my little great niece here, I can click the love heart. Well, now Alexandra is going to receive a notification that someone is trying to speak with her. So if you click on the notifications, you can see right here all of the people that have either commented on a post that I've commented on, or they have engaged with content that I've posted on my Facebook personal profile. But what I really want to point out to you is, well, on the right-hand side, this is mostly advertising, sponsored ads. Pages are business pages that I manage. Friend requests are people that are asking to be my friend. Whether I delete them or confirm them, that will be up to me. Birthdays are people that are having birthdays today. And then over here are all your contacts. And this tells you the people that are actually online right now because it's got a little green dot beside it. Now up here in the top right-hand corner, this is your account. And you go in here to find your privacy and your settings tabs. And in here, if you click on your settings tabs, it takes you into your general tab where you have your name, your email address that's associated with your account. And you just want to review these things. Security and login, this is to find out, it tells you when people have logged into your account, in what location in the world they're at. Sometimes people are hacked and you have to go in here and change your password. And I actually recommend that you change your password at least every 6 months. And then you can go further and your Facebook information, this is the information that you were allowing people to see. You can turn this all off if you wanted to. You go into your privacy settings and you can see how people find you and contact you, your activity if you're making everything public. Or if you want to change it, you just go ahead and click here and then you can see what your options are. And I'm just going to close that. And you can just keep going through all of these different settings to see what they mean and if they mean anything to you, if you would like to. Some people I have blocked because they are, they've hacked someone's account, so I know they're a fake person. And just you keep going through all of these different tabs here. These are your settings, okay? So settings are really important. And to just get back to your news feed where all your friends and family are posting, you click on the little house again, right? There's another thing that I want to point out for you. Up here, the second tab over, these are pages. These are business pages that I'm actually managing as a social media marketing manager. Probably not important to you. This icon right here with the little diamond in it, this is Watch. This is Facebook Watch TV, and this is live episodic television or taped television that live streams, kind of like Netflix does. I watch a lot of X Factor, that's why that's in there. Ellen DeGeneres as well. So that's your videos on Facebook Watch. The next tab over is your marketplace, and marketplace is a great platform for you to sell things that you have that you would like to get rid of. And all you simply do is go ahead and add your item to marketplace. And if you see an item that you like, you can go on and inquire about it. So that's marketplace. And then the last one over here, this circle with all the people, these are my groups that I belong to. And so it keeps everything kind of organized for me. I've got my groups, I have my marketplace, I have my Facebook Watch for watching videos on Facebook. I've got my business pages, and from my business pages, I can click the button and it just simply takes me back home to where all my friends and family are posting on Facebook as well. When you see something like this that says sponsored, this is someone that has paid Facebook to advertise on their platform and is putting their ad into your news feed. If you don't want to see any advertising, if you click on these three little dots here, you can hide the ad, report the ad, or you can copy the link and share it, or you can say, why am I seeing this ad? And then Facebook will explain to you why you're seeing that ad. So I'm hoping that this actually helps you feel more comfortable using the Facebook platform for your personal profile to stay in touch with family and friends, even if you're not using it to add photos yourself, because Facebook is a great platform for staying up to date with what everyone's doing in your family. If there's a community group and people are posting on the community group, to stay in touch with them, and especially during COVID-19. And if you have any questions or you would like me to screen share to walk you through setting up a personal profile or just walking through your account that you have set up, because it can get really confusing, especially because Facebook has just put a new look out on Facebook personal profiles and business pages. So it's a little bit different. They have a light mode, a dark mode, and I am here to help you. My name is Heather, and remember everyone,